All right, we are on air. Hey guys, it's Michael here, and today I'm going to present to you guys a bit of good information about how to use the Facebook Live feature and how to just use it the right way without having to mess it up. Because I know so many people don't utilize it, and then when they do utilize it, they don't go about it the right way. And over my time and over the experiences that I've been using this for, I've cracked it down and I've known how to use it very well. So here you're seeing just a different page that I was on. So let me go from the very beginning. I use before I get into it, I use the live feature for my group. So a good place to do it is in your group. I know some of you might feel sensitive to using it for your own news feed, for your personal matters, or maybe you're thinking about your page, but a group is a great way to use the live feature. Or you can even broadcast to everybody. So here you're seeing me in my live feature where I'm actually showing you this actual video because this is where I began. So I'm here in my Facebook group, and what I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to go here where it says live video. Okay, so use live video. I'm going to click it. It's kind of weird. But once you're in here, it's going to give me the group, sharing a group if I want to, interactive. I'm going to have my HP widescreen, which is default, which is where you probably want to leave it. And then I can do share screen. If I want to share the screen, I can just leave it as the entire screen. And if I choose a different tab, it would go to that tab and it would show that. See how that works? I don't know if you're seeing that, but it's kind of strange. But if I were to click application window, then I can click any of those. If I'm doing like a PowerPoint outside of the internet or Chrome tab and select one. This is how I got here. So I can double click one of these and share, or just click it once and share it, and it'll show you the screen that you're looking at. So, using the live feature in Facebook is very useful. A lot of people like seeing video. A lot of people want to resonate with you. They want to sometimes see your face. You don't always have to show your face, of course, but showing your face is a plus because people make that connection with people, and it's an important thing to do if you're going to have people following you, right? You want people following your work. So that's pretty much it. I can go more in depth and tell you what kind of videos to make. I would say keep your videos short as you can. Maybe 5 to 8 minutes is okay. 8 minutes is kind of pushing it, but I would try to get it as squeezed in the time you have as possible. But you can go over that if you're doing a course. Let's say you're running a course out of your Facebook Live and you're teaching somebody like a 7-day course, then you could do that. You can do it more time. And actually, Facebook Live is a great place if you have a business opportunity to share with somebody, something that's way different than anybody else. You want to be in your own blue sea. You don't want to be in this red ocean, right? And the red ocean is basically where everybody is. All the sharks are in that red ocean. So you're teaching somebody something different that they can't get anywhere else, and it's a new opportunity you want to present to them. Even when you do affiliate marketing or you're helping somebody in your niche, what makes you different? Going back to the USP, the unique selling proposition. That also goes to say that people like new opportunities. They don't want to know the same thing. So offering them something new is very good, and you want to stand out. And there's different people within that subcategory. So there's people who have heard about the idea but don't know about it enough. They've heard about it here and there but don't know how I can change them. And you can still catch their attention in this phase. Or there's people who don't know exactly, have never heard of it, or they've heard of it and they think it works this way, but then you prove to them otherwise, that they are thinking that, like, for example, if somebody knows about the keto diet, they think they need to sacrifice carbs to get in shape, you can be like, no, actually there's this thing where in the keto diet, and if you haven't been trying that, if you can eat these amount of carbs and still lose the weight, and then from there on out. So getting that point across is helpful, and using Facebook Live can reach a mass audience. And the thing I like about Facebook Live too is that if you want to take this video and upload it somewhere else to YouTube or Vimeo or other places, and you can do that exactly like YouTube. So that's it. And if you have any questions on how to maybe send that video somewhere else, go ahead and get in contact with me. Michael at viralhomebasedpursuit.com, or I'm going to try to have a feature here where you can leave me a message. And that's it. Thank you, guys.